Have you ever wondered why Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, is so similar yet so different from Earth? It's a fascinating conundrum. You see, Venus might be our next-door neighbor in the solar system, but it's a world apart in many ways. From its scorching temperatures to its retrograde rotation, Venus is a planet of peculiarities and contrasts. So why not embark on a journey with us to explore this intriguing celestial body? Let's dive into the top 10 fascinating facts about Venus. Starting at number 10. Did you know that Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets? Yes, that's right. While most planets in our solar system rotate from west to east, Venus dances to its own beat, spinning from east to west. Astronomers refer to this as retrograde rotation. Now, what could cause this planetary peculiarity? Some scientists believe a colossal collision with an asteroid or another object might have reversed Venus's spin billions of years ago. The implications? Well, it makes for quite an unusual day-night cycle. In fact, one rotation of Venus on its axis takes longer than its orbit around the Sun. So, a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Talk about a long day? At number 9, we have the planet's incredibly dense atmosphere. Venus's atmosphere is primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, making it 90 times denser than Earth's. This thick blanket of gases absorbs the sun's heat and traps it, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Even though Venus is not the closest planet to the sun, this intense greenhouse effect makes its surface hotter than Mercury's. The surface temperature on Venus can reach up to 867 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of most ovens. This intense heat, coupled with the crushing atmospheric pressure, makes Venus a very hostile environment. In other words, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Coming in at number 8, Venus's surface is a volcanic landscape. It's a world ablaze with over 1,000 volcanoes dotting the terrain, each larger than 6 miles in diameter. These aren't your everyday volcanoes. They're shield volcanoes, similar to those in Hawaii, erupting with flows of lava that reshape the landscape. Evidence of this molten activity is abundant. The Venusian surface is a tapestry of ripples and wrinkles, telling tales of ancient lava flows that once washed over the planet. But don't be fooled by the fiery spectacle. These volcanic eruptions also release large amounts of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to Venus's notorious greenhouse effect. So when it comes to holiday plans, let's just say, so Venus is not exactly a vacation destination. Number 7, the pressure on Venus's surface can crush you. Now let's talk pressure. Venus, our neighboring planet, has a surface pressure that is over 90 times that of Earth. Imagine the weight of a small car pressing down on you. That's what you'd experience on Venus. This intense pressure is a result of the planet's thick atmosphere, composed predominantly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. This creates a dense blanket around Venus, causing a greenhouse effect that traps heat and increases the pressure. What does this mean for us, you might ask? Well, any future explorations or missions to Venus would require spacecraft and equipment designed to withstand such extreme conditions. It's like being 900 meters deep in the ocean, but without the water. At number 6, unlike Earth, Venus has no magnetic field. Yes, you heard it right, no magnetic field. Now you might be wondering, why is that? Well, the magnetic field of a planet is generated by the movement of molten iron within its core, but Venus spins very slowly, which means its core doesn't move enough to create a magnetic field. This absence has some profound implications. For one, without a magnetic field, solar radiation directly bombards the planet's surface, making it inhospitable to life as we know it. Secondly, it means Venus doesn't experience magnificent phenomena like the northern or southern lights, which are caused by solar particles interacting with the planet's magnetic field. No northern lights for Venus then. Halfway through at number 5, Venus is the brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon. This brilliance is not a fluke. Instead, it is a result of Venus's thick cloud cover, which is excellent at reflecting sunlight. Essentially, these clouds act like a massive mirror, bouncing sunlight back into space and making Venus appear incredibly bright from our perspective. This dazzling display has led to Venus being affectionately dubbed the evening star. However, don't be fooled. This celestial body is not a star but a planet, our neighboring planet to be precise. Its brightness is just a testament to its reflective capabilities and its proximity to Earth. Venus truly is a beacon in the night sky. At number 4, Venus is nearly the same size as Earth. Now, isn't that something? When we talk about the size of Venus, we're not just throwing around random comparisons. Venus is only slightly smaller than our home planet. In fact, it's about 86% of Earth's size. That's like comparing an apple to a slightly smaller apple. The striking similarities in size between Earth and Venus have led many to call Venus Earth's sister planet. This similarity in size also contributes to our understanding of Venus and its geological activity. It provides us with a better scope to study and compare the two planets, giving us valuable insights into our own planet's history and future. So there it is, Venus, Earth's almost twin. Coming in at number 3, Venus has no liquid water on its surface. Despite being our next-door planetary neighbor, Venus's scorching temperatures and high pressure have caused all of its water to evaporate. Now you might be wondering, how can a planet survive without water? The answer is, not very well. Without water, Venus can't support life as we know it. There's no water cycle to help regulate the planet's climate, and no chance for life to evolve or thrive in such extreme conditions. This lack of water also makes Venus a harsh and inhospitable place, with a barren landscape and sky-high temperatures. So don't forget to pack your own water bottle if you're planning a trip. Just missing the top spot at number 2, Venus has the most severe weather in the solar system. Imagine a world where hurricane-like winds are the norm, not the exception. Yes, that's Venus for you. The atmosphere of this enigmatic planet is always on the move, with wind speeds reaching up to 200 miles per hour in its upper atmosphere. These winds whip around the planet faster than Venus itself rotates. And if that doesn't sound formidable enough, consider this. Venus also experiences rain, but don't expect a refreshing drizzle. This rain is made of sulfuric acid. Yes, acid rain is a common occurrence on Venus, but fortunately, it evaporates before it reaches the surface due to the intense heat. Venus really does take bad weather to a whole new level. And finally, the most surprising fact about Venus at number 1, Venus is the only planet that can transit the Sun as seen from Earth. This celestial event, known as Venus's transit, is when the planet passes directly between the Sun and Earth, a rare spectacle that has occurred only 4 times since the 18th century. Now why is this so significant? Well, it's all about perspective. Observing this transit has been instrumental in understanding the size of our solar system and even the universe beyond. Centuries ago, astronomers used the Venus transit to calculate the Earth's distance from the Sun, a unit now known as an astronomical unit. Today, scientists use similar methods to identify and study exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. So there you have it, the top 10 fascinating facts about Venus. From its scorching temperatures to its dazzling brightness, Venus is truly a marvel of our solar system. Until next time, keep exploring the universe. But before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the universe's wonders. If you enjoyed exploring Venus with us and want to keep learning about the incredible phenomena in our universe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're always delving into the mysteries of space, revealing captivating facts, and sharing the latest scientific discoveries. And of course, we'd love to have you join us on this journey. So don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, keep your eyes to the skies and keep exploring.